Hello students, this is Subrata Ghosh. Today I will teach you how to calculate the skewness. Skewness is a third moment in statistics. The skewness refers to the lack of symmetry, or in other words you can say skewness is a measure of symmetry. This skewness describes the shapes of the distribution. If we get the positive skewness, it means the value of the mean is bigger than the median. But if the value of the skewness is negative, then we can say that mean of the observation is smaller than the median. We will define this skewness by this formula. What the formula shows? The skewness, which is denoted by Sk, equals to 1 by n summation x minus x bar whole cube divided by sigma q, where x is the value of the observation, x bar is the mean of the observation, and sigma is the standard deviation of the observation, and n is the number of observation. So from this formula we can generally idea we can think from this formula we can understand that to get the value of skewness we need the mean value, and as we know mean value is obtained by summing up the observation divided by the number of observation. Second thing which is important, that is sigma or standard deviation. As we know, the standard deviation of the observation is obtained by this formula for the discrete series, root over summation x minus x bar whole square divided by n. It means to get the value of skewness, what we need? We need to calculate x bar first. Second is standard deviation, and we need to get the value of x minus x bar. Now we will understand how skewness is measured from this table. What the table shows? Suppose we want to find the skewness of this observation. 9, 5, 7, 11 and 3. What is the formula? Formula is this. What is the demand of the formula? X minus x bar. It means firstly we have to calculate the x bar. How x bar is calculated? We know x bar is calculated by summing of the observation x divided by number of observation. In our problem, what is the sum of x? Here sum of x means 9 plus 5 plus 7 plus 11 plus 3. It means if we add all this observation, what we will get? We will get it is what? This is 35. Okay. Now x bar is calculated. Now what we will do? Oh, sorry, it is summation x. What we will have to do? We have to find out the x bar. X bar. X bar means sum of observation divided by x. So it is what? X bar means summation x by n, where summation x is 35. In number of observation was 5. X bar equals to 7. Okay, this x bar equals to 7. So what we have to do? We have to subtract 7 from each and every observation. Okay, so it is what? It is what? 9 minus 7 equals to what? 9 minus 7 equals to 2. 5 minus 7 minus 2. 7 minus 7 0. 11 minus 7 4. 3 minus 7 is minus 4. If we add up all this, 2 plus minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 0 0, it is 0. Okay, so first step of the formula is done. First step was finding the x bar. X bar is calculated. Now we will calculate the sigma. Sigma is what? Formula is, what is the formula for sigma? Formula of the sigma is summation x minus x bar whole square by n. X minus x bar, we have to do x minus x bar whole square. In your observation, it is x minus x whole square. X is 2 square, 4 minus 2 square, 4, 0 square, 0, 4 square, 16, 4 square, 16. Now we will add up this. What will be the result? 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 16, 24, 24 plus 16 is 40. Is 40. Okay, now again we will come to the formula. Okay, so what is the formula? Formula is finding the this value sigma. Our sigma is, what is the formula? Formula is, so sigma formula is what? Sigma equals to root over 1 by n summation x minus x bar whole square, sorry, x bar. So 1 by n means 1 by 5 summation x minus x bar whole square. It is what? It is 40. So into 40 equals to 8. It means root over 8 equals to 2 root 2. This is the sigma. Okay. Now we have got the value of x bar, we have got the value of sigma. Okay. Now we have to get the value of x minus x bar whole cube. X minus x bar is given a whole cube. 2 cube 8 minus 2 cube minus 8, 0 cube 0, 4 cube is what? 64, minus 4 whole cube minus 64. If we add up this, what? 8 plus 8 minus 8, 0, 0, 62 is 0, it is 0. So if we look back to the formula, x bar is 7, x minus x bar whole cube, x minus x bar whole cube is what? Is 0, and sigma means 2 root 2. Now we will put this value in the formula. If we put all this value in the formula, what we will get? Suppose now here x bar is summation x by n, 35 by 7, it is 7, sigma is 14 by 8, 2 root 2, and what is the skewness formula? 1 by n summation x minus x whole cube by sigma cube. Okay, 1 by n means 1 by 5. This is what? This is 0. If we look back to the table, this is 0. Okay, this is 0, and sigma is 2 root 2. Since one value is 0, 0 into something, it result is 0. The skewness is 0. In this way, we can calculate the skewness. So before we calculate the skewness, first and foremost work is to get the value of mean. Then we have to get the value of standard deviation. Then we have to get the value of sum of x minus x bar whole cube. After getting all the three values, then we will have to put it in the formula, and the result is the skewness. And here the result is 0, but if the result is any positive value, it will indicate the mean of the observation is bigger than the median of the observation. But if this observation, if this skewness is negative, it will indicate that value of the mean is smaller than the median value. I hope you understand this. Thank you for watching this video, and next video will be on measurement of kurtosis. Thank you.